Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are B flat major, C major, and A minor. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. And the last chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. Now we're going to learn the chord progression of this entire song. It's just going to be B flat major for 6 beats, C major for 10 beats, A minor for 6 beats, and back to B flat major for 10 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's play through that string pattern now on the B flat major chord. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. And now let's add the string pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Everything I Wanted. Thought I could fly, so I stepped off the golden. Nobody cried, nobody even noticed. I saw them standing right there. Kinda thought they might care. I had a dream, I got everything I wanted, but when I wake up I see you with me, and you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why you're here. They don't deserve you. And at the end of the song, you're just going to ring out on the downbeat of the last B flat major chord of the chord progression. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Everything I Wanted. And that's how you play Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.